To cancel your Amazon Prime membership, do the following. Hover your mouse over where it says Accounts and Lists, then click on Membership and Subscriptions on the pop-up page. On the next page, click where it says Prime Membership Settings. Then click where it says Manage Membership, Update, Cancel and More on the next page. Then tap where it says End Membership in small print. On the next page it will show you how many days you have left until your next billing cycle, so you can still use benefits till whatever days left you have end. Back to finish canceling, click where it says Continue to Cancel, and follow the instructions. It should be easy from here on. I am not going to click on it cause I want to keep my membership. Thank you all for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like or leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. Have a wonderful day.